Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. Hey everyone, myself Mashkur Ali. In today's video, we're diving into something important, how to remove your SSN from Cash App. Now, before we get started, remember, removing your SSN isn't usually recommended because it could lead to some account limitations and it might even make your account less secure in the future. But we know that there are situations where you might need to do this. Maybe your SSN got blocked by the Social Security Administration, or you have other security concerns. So, if you're in a situation where you need to remove your SSN from Cash App, we've got a method that works. But make sure to follow the steps carefully. Step 1. Open Cash App. First, take your phone and open the Cash App. Once you're in, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. Step 2. Access the support option. Scroll down and tap on the support button. Here, you're going to look for the option that says something else. Step 3. Close your Cash App account. After that, choose Close your Cash App account. The app will ask you to confirm. Make sure you follow this part carefully because once your account is closed, you'll need us to uninstall the app from your phone. Step 4. Reinstall Cash App and create a new account. Now, uninstall Cash App and then reinstall it from your App Store. When you open it again, you'll use the same phone number you had before to create a new account. Step 5. Skip the SSN step. Here's the trick. After you enter your phone number and receive the confirmation code, go ahead and enter your zip code and create your cash tag. When you reach the part where it asks for your social security number, simply hit skip button. But keep in mind, this comes with some limitations. For example, without an SSN, you can't verify your account, which means you'll have lower sending and receiving limits, and you won't be able to use certain features. Now, if this process seems complicated, or if you're unsure about some of the steps, don't worry. We've linked a detailed article in the description below that includes screenshots and a more in-depth explanation. This guide also covers the legal and security aspects of removing your SSN. So make sure to check it out before making your decision. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Cash App tips. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.